Good morning, everyone. Wynn Brown here on Thursday, March 26th with our morning update for COVID-19 at Haywood Healthcare. We have more lab results back today. I want to thank Dan French for his great work on that. To date, we have tested a total of 186 patients on the inpatient and the outpatient basis. We have 51 tests back with no virus found, so negative. But we are up to 5 positives in our community, so 3 overnight positive tests came back. Those were all tested in the outpatient setting, and those patients are not inpatients at Haywood at this moment in time. We do have 15 patients at Haywood that are patients under investigation, so we are waiting for their test results to come back to rule them in or out, and we have 1 inpatient who is positive. And so hopefully we'll get some more test results back today. Quest has definitely improved the turnaround time for us. We just came off a 2-hour-long Board of Trustees meeting. You know, we are locally governed by an amazing group of local citizens who have incredibly long healthcare experience and really guide and advise us and support us in the work that we're doing. And I just want to thank our trustees for their commitment to us and to the community. Also, I want to thank Jeannie Sanborn. She met with our EVS staff and 2 different sessions to do some infection prevention training, and that is also on video as well so that we can share it with other staff. Just a news from finance. Now that we've moved finance off campus, we are not going to be delivering hard copy checks or checks to everybody for them to see. So just check your checking account. Everybody has direct deposit, so everybody's going to get paid, but you're not going to get a hard copy of that like we usually do for the time being. Also, we've talked a little bit about everybody's emotional health during this period of time, and Amy Moran, one of our telebehavioral health specialists, has put together a video for stress reduction on the intranet, so I encourage you to take a look at that. Also, Deb Walgren, who supports and leads our Off Our Rockers program in the Gardner Elementary Schools, has put together a kids exercise video that will also be on our website, so take a look at those. HR is working on a second labor pool for us in the prospect that we might need additional staff beyond who we have right now, especially in the clinical areas. And so I'm going to be coming out with more information on that. But the short story is that the state has relaxed a number of rules around licensure to allow people to come back into practice, especially around nursing and physicians. And so as we get more information on the new scope of practice guidance coming out, we'll be reaching out to retired or staff who are no longer in the field who might want to come back and support us should the pandemic have a long duration and we have to also surge off campus at a certain point in time. We'll also be resending the Childcare Link, so folks that are looking for childcare locally during this pandemic, you can access that and find out who's providing those services locally. So that's the quick update today. We've got a full day ahead, and it's lots of things happening all the time, so I expect a pretty robust and full report this evening when I get back to you. So everybody have a great day. Take care of yourselves, and we'll talk in a little bit. Thank you.